dashboard and give information about also risk in project management. So this is our dashboard. We see a part related to project management and information about the health of the project. I created here, or I inserted here a new worksheet. So I inserted here a new worksheet, risk assessment, and I added here some columns. This is a number, this is an issue, the type of issue, impact, priority, severity, status. I will skip about the definition of this for you at the moment, but I'm going to define in the master data, in the metadata, created here data validation for the open date, Control-Shift-Arrow down. Data validation is date, start from this one, the project start, and this one, which is the last date in the project. You can also vary this and put another date if you want. The same I did here for the close date. Data validation, date again, start from this and this, because this is the project period, so these are the dates of the project. Open by here have the names of the resources. Okay, I have also close by here. Okay, Control-Shift-Arrow down, data validation, text. Then we have priority, severity, and status, and impact, and type of issues. So type of issues we have here. Type of issues. Okay, error, content, task, G, type issues. And I go to my risk assessment, type of issue, again, data validation, list, source, metadata, this one. Okay, I can also define the name of the range if I want. The impact is here. Impact is a calculation, so I want to have priority and severity. So priority is blocker, high, medium, low, and then I zoomed this without thinking, and severity, I can also put them next. Three, two, one, just numbers. Okay, this is a table, just headers. Okay, priority and severity. You can also change the names of the tables if you want. Okay, table 7. Okay, good. This one is TBL type issues, and then we have this one, which is edit TBL severity. Okay, I'm gonna close this. I'm going to my risk assessment, priority. I'm gonna click here again, data validation, list. This is priority here, Okay, and the severity is list source. Okay, so we have the type of issues, priority, severity. I'm going also to do the same for the status. I'm going to create here metadata, status, open, close, progress, obsolete. So I give some statuses, but of course you can also create more than this. Open, close, in progress, and obsolete. That means this is no longer valid. Okay, and then I'm going to my risk assessment. Here again, Control Shift, arrow down, data validation, list. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to populate this with some data, and I will show you that when it's ready in the next video, okay?